Half Lotus Twist. Sit on the floor with your legs extended, spine straight, and arms resting at your sides. Bend your right knee and hug it to your chest. Then bring your right ankle to the crease of your left hip so the sole of your right foot faces the sky. The top of your foot should rest on your hip crease. Bend your left knee and cross your left ankle beneath your right knee. Balance your weight evenly across your sit bones. Align your head, neck, and spine. Lengthen your spine, but soften your neck. Relax your feet and thighs. Place your right hand on the floor behind you. Bring your left hand to the outside of your right knee. On an exhalation, gently twist to the right. Inhale as you lengthen the spine. Exhale again as you twist deeper. Gaze over your right shoulder. Keep your hands soft. Keep your collarbones broad and sit up straight. Twist only as far as you can go while keeping your head aligned directly over your tailbone. Hold the twist for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale as you come back to center. Release the pose by extending both legs along the floor and repeat on the other side.